Welcome, today I am with Vivo Y52 5G from the European distribution, and I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in this smartphone. At first, when you take a look on the screen, we can spot that right here we can find the default protection. It's a very thin foil. You can remove that foil, but also you can leave it on your screen and apply on it the tempered glass. And that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to improve protection of my display. So as you can see, right now my display is in a good condition, but in most cases you will get here a lot of fingerprints and other greasy marks, and we have to remove them with these wipes that we have on the box set. So we get wet and the dry wipes. We get start from this one at the first, so let's open quickly. And then you have to make moves in the circle, and you have to reach all edges and corners. As you can see right now, our display looks definitely better, but we have to remove this wet marks from the screen. So we are going to make it with this dry wipe. Take a look right now. We get rid of that marks from the display, so we can finally grab our tempered glass. At first we have to remove this sticker. And right now, keep holding the bottom part. Remember that we have to apply this glass evenly. So the same for both edges. Okay, I think that right now it's in a good position, so I have to press right here, and then I'm going to put this bottom part. Take a look right now, it goes automatically, so I don't even have to press on the screen, but of course we can make it to do it a little bit faster. And take a look right now on the screen, we can find here this marks under the glass, and it's not air, it's just glue marks that we have to remove. And how we can remove them? For example, with our fingernail, we have to press on them. As you can see, they disappear. But I can recommend you to make it with this dry wipe. So take a look. We have to press, and they will disappear. We have to make it for the whole screen. Okay, and take a look right now on the screen. That's how you can apply the tempered glass on your phone. There is no problem with the touch interaction, as you can see. So yeah, that's all. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.